Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to mop with ROBOROCK QRevo Curv. So to mop with it, first make sure that the clean water tank is not empty. So open this top lid on the charging base, then here is the clean water tank with a blue drop on it. Make sure in my case it is empty, so you need to fill it, then put it back in, and now you can close it. Also make sure that your robot has the mopping pads installed. If you don't know how to do it, there's a video on our channel on how to do it. And then in the app you can just click on this button right here on the left side of the start button and make sure that it's set to vacuum and mop or mop. Then you can click on start and it will first fill the water tank inside of the robot with the clean water from the charging base, and then it will start mopping or vacuuming and mopping. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.